A very good evening to all who continuously watch my videos. So today now we are going to start our next topic, the revolutionaries of class 10th, rise of nationalism in Europe. In our last topic we discussed second topic of the chapter and last part of that second topic 2.3. In that topic we can try to understand that how a new conservatism came to power after 1815. Before that, when Napoleon was in power in France, so during that time he abolished monarchy rules there. Then he established so many administrative changes which took place during the time of Napoleon. And we already know that in that topic in our last topic we discussed that how and why the Napoleon was defeated in the Battle of Waterloo in 1815, because Napoleon was a threat to all the entire European empire, because he did not follow or the monarchical rules. As per his assumption, he want to abolish all those rules. Now in our next topic, today we are going to start our next topic, revolutionaries. So we already discussed that a new aristocratic middle class group emerged in Europe. Then one idea which spread an entire European continent. That idea was liberalism, to become free, to get their freedom. At the end we discuss about how Napoleon came to power, Napoleon Code or Civil Code. Then at the end we discussed how Napoleon disposed from his position from France, and why he was disposed, because he was a threat for entire European empires. He was did not believe in the privileges by the birth. He did not believe in monarchy. He did a lot changes in administrative field of France as well as those nations who was occupied by him or conquered by him. So in this topic we are going to discuss about the revolutionaries. Who were the revolutionaries? These were the nationalist revolutionaries who want to form a nation state. The main motive of these nationalist revolutionaries were to form a nation state. So in our last topic we discussed that the rule of Napoleon was abolished, and again a new conservative system was introduced in France. In this system, liberal nationalists criticized the new idea of conservatives, which was took place in 1815. In that ideas, in 1815, conservatives again came to power and established again their empire in Europe. When these conservatives established their empire in Europe, so during that time those who were the nationalist revolutionaries, they were feared of repression and sprang or drove many liberal nationalists underground. They hid themselves and did work secretly and motivate the people to form a nation state. So many secret societies continuously did work to spread an idea of freedom, liberty, and to aware the people about the formation of nation state. To become a revolutionary means to oppose the monarchy during that time after 1815. To become as a revolutionary, that it means you directly oppose the monarchy, and when you oppose that monarchy, so it was not good for the people who were the revolutionaries. They were retained, they were arrested from here and there and directly killed by the monarch. At the end, so the main motive of the revolutionaries to form a nation state. If we talk about that, why the revolution took place in Europe, so the main motive was to form a nation state. At the end, the famous revolutionaries during that time, Giuseppe Mazzini, he was born in Genoa in 1807, and he became the member of Carbonari. In the beginning, he was a member of Carbonari society. Then at the age of 21, he was arrested and went to an exile. In 1831, when he came to 1831, When he was free from jail, he was free from his exile. So after that he attempted a revolution in Liguria. For what? To form a nation state. And he was also founded two main society. So many times, dear students, question asked, directly asked on that person, who was Giuseppe Mazzini, when he was born, and which secret society was founded by him. So two main society which was founded by him. First was Young Italian Marseilles. As you all know that Marseilles was a place. And one more thing about that word Marseilles. Marseilles is the national anthem of France. That a secret society was founded by Giuseppe Mazzini. And next, that was Young Europe. In Bern, Young Europe Society was also founded by Giuseppe Mazzini. So two main societies was founded by Giuseppe Mazzini. He was a great revolutionary. He continuously tried to spread his ideas to form a nation state. And Mazzini relentless opposition of the monarchy. He was totally against the monarchy system and established according to his vision, he wanted to formed a democratic republican states. Democratic, that means people are leaders directly elected by the people. And when he was did that work, so all the conservatives was frightened by him. So a person named Duke Metternich described about him who he was. So he was the most dangerous man of social order. As per the Metternich description, he described about the Giuseppe Mazzini. So he directly told him that he was the most dangerous person for the social order because he believed to form a nation state. And that Metternich described him. So here we discuss about the revolutionaries, how the impact of these revolutionary in the European society and how they spread idea of freedom or to form a nation state. If you have any doubts, dear students, so here we complete this topic. If you have any doubts regarding the topics, you directly contact to me. My number is 9459943825. And if you want to get notes, so at the end of the video I will definitely put my notes in this video. I add that note with the video, so you can go through with that notes and prepare for exams. Thank you.